Hello, welcome back. This is video 4 already of the day, because like 2 and 3 there was a problem with my internet. So first of all, trade disclaimer, pause the screen, read it. Why I wanted to go online is because Bitcoin is stalling here, and we already talked about that April pivot that is untapped, and we might potentially see like a bottoming pattern of 3 valleys with 3 lower lows. Comes to the pivot, maybe even deeper, because it would be so obvious and so many people wanted to do that. So maybe they immediately get stopped out. This is our pitchfork, and we have a monthly a bit lower. So if we see this pattern of 3 valleys, 1, 2, and another lower low, with then a reclaim, a bounce that is higher, this could be the bottom for now, and we move up, or at least more sideways. Also, if you check the daily candle, the day opened straight back down. There will be a daily if we don't bounce up, and there are still reasons to retest this area before actually moving down. Problem is, right now we're back in the triangle, and clearly the bears have taken over, but we still could bounce somewhere around here, and that's what I'm looking for, even if it's only for a few percent. I don't know if I would, but it's less likely that I will catch a falling knife. I will probably buy a retest, and then we could have a move of 1.5%. Should be take profit 1. Maybe we'll have the VWAP or backtest of this value area high, and if we don't get above that, it's gonna be pretty clear that we are rotating back all the way down, or at least to the point of control around 41. 42 is 41, 42 is a very important level. Could we have a full retest? And we are looking at 6%. So since I'm in a short from higher, I'm willing to take this long if we get the right setup. This is also because ES has been moving down and might find some kind of support on these VWAPs, for at least some cooling down, maybe a bit up. That could bring Bitcoin also more sideways, and probably we're gonna retest this daily open today or tomorrow, and take it from there then. We still have a lot of unfinished business down there, so we'll see what happens if we get these 3 valleys. Another thing I wanted to show you is that the order flow, there are a lot of trades going on and a lot of volume being put in this low. Actually a lot of shorts. It may be new shorts, it may be a lot of people getting stopped out, closing their shorts, and we see a lot of people fighting back and defending this. So it wouldn't surprise me that we take this other low, that all these new longs get stopped out again and miss the move if we go up, or we don't reclaim that and we don't have that pattern and we go straight back down, because all these new longs will be stopped out, pushing down the price even more. So it's something to watch. If we get a bounce around 43,600 to 43 flat, so that's the BTC USDT pair. On the BTC USD inverse pair, we kind of see something of the same also. All these red, man, how can you be get wrecked in this range? But yeah, a lot of people getting wrecked in this small range. What we do also see is that these lows momentarily are poor lows, so also the high is a poor high, so it wouldn't surprise me to at least one more sweep of these lows and then reverse. So it's definitely something to watch for. Let's quickly check our equity, which is growing crazy, 17.3 right now. So it's actually in my best interest that this doesn't bounce and just goes straight down, but that's not how the market works. So if it bounces, we will sit it out, see our equity drop again, and hopefully it doesn't stop out many trades. Most of them are quite far into profits. The last one that we took off stream, we actually added to this one, and a few of our orders didn't got hit, but we're actually happy with that. Let's show you why I took that one, or why I added more. This is that one. So if you can see, we had the high come back down, and then we made a higher high on the CVD with a lower high here, which means that there was accumulation over there and some bearish divergence. So I joined the traders that were accumulating and also put it in some limit orders to stop price from moving up. Very simple for me. If this high is taken, I will be out of the trade and look for higher, but it's actually a nice asset to short, because if you check on Bybit, it's only very recently on Bybit, and it's a pretty recent asset, and it only has dropped like 60% from opening, so I think we can at least get another 30%, especially if the market is in general going down. So bearish divergence with accumulation, and the market is going down, so that is the reason why I took this one. Did I take another one? Let's see what is happening right here. They are. This is coming to the val, and since Bitcoin doesn't show strength yet, I'm not gonna act on that one. I also think we are still in an AR short, if I'm right. Yeah, we also already took a lot of profits on that one. That's from earlier, so that doesn't count. And this is where we started. So we took some of the profits off. We started with a 80 80 AR position, and we're left with 9, but I'm actually fine with that. It's not much anymore, so I will keep it running. I don't really mind that this one would be stopped out and it's actually taking the high, so probably if the market reverses, I will close this one somewhere along the lines. And then what did I take? Don't really remember anymore. Oh, I did. No, I'm not that one. Ank, yes. So this one tested the CC. Let's see that on TradingView. So we normally got that alert, yes. Let's go to Ank. So we had that triangle here, it broke out. We had the first alert here, and it dropped all the way back down, but we were at our appointment, and then it retested the triangle. That was also the CC, so we started getting into a trade actually here, but then just in case, because the BTC pair was already at CC back then, and then it got all the way over there, so we added more and more, and that brings us to this position that we are in right now. We'll keep that one running for now, but we will take some profits probably if this low is hit, so I actually will put in that limit. We'll take 1/3 off at 2.8, close short like that, and that's actually it. Let's go back to BTC and see what is happening right now. So what we are actually looking for is some bullish divergence, which we don't have. We want to see trapped shorts, and we will only see that after they are trapped and the price moves up. That's one of the reasons why I'm not going to catch a falling knife and wait for the bounce and then the retest, or the retracement. I want to see at least this 43,600 hit. That would be nice. It would also be nice if we see that hit with new shorts pushing it down, and then have the reverse immediately. And with extra confluence would be that we have here a buying tail, and so we don't have a poor low. Let's see what is happening here. New shorts pushing price down, and we might already have not yet. So I think you know what to watch for. If we don't have this pattern, which is perfectly possible, that we just range further and further, or drop all the way, 42. If the monthly doesn't hold, It's definitely possible, but for now I want to see if we get this pattern with one more lower low, bounce maybe to here, and then could go a little bit lower. Could also class this as a swing failure pattern, but with the 3 valleys. So I think you know what we are looking for. I hope you understand, and that's actually it for now. Our equity is still beautifully growing, and that's mostly because of Doge. It's actually so funny that it gave everything back from yesterday just perfectly. And on that note, I will end the stream again. Have a nice day. And if I find the time to chart some more, I will definitely do it on live stream. If I don't feel like it, I will just update. Okay. So we have that other low. Now we have the April hit. Let's see if they are fighting back here. And we have the bounce. So if this was it already, we are now looking for this and then a reclaim of that daily. Check, check, check. With again bullish market structure on the local time frame. If we don't get it, that's perfectly fine. We didn't lose anything by waiting for a higher low, because for now the bears are in control. And let's see how ES is doing. It hasn't met its support yet. And we also have not much confluence over there, so it's also a guess that price might stop down here for a while, and that could, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. So that pivot definitely got some action. We had a lot of new shorts right here. They fighting back. This is actually good. That this section of the part will be trapped if we don't go back over there. That's on the USDT. On the USD pair we have also some trapped shorts, but the volume is not so big. Here the volume is a little bit better, 7.4 mils trapped shorts, like 60 mil longs that got stopped out. Now if we get this bounce and then the retrace, on that retracement, it would be completely nice if we then get bullish divergence with another group of shorts coming down. That would be perfect. We also have the buying tail right now, so if we don't visit this section again in the next 18 minutes, in the 18 minutes it's good, but it cannot be in the next candles, next 30-minute candles, then this will be again a poor low. So let's say 18 minutes left to build this low, and then don't revisit it again, and then we would have a good low for the time being at least. So we definitely have some traffic going on here. Question is, will the bulls get the upper hand? To be clear, this would be definitely a scalp at first, and then let the rest run, and maybe it turns into a swing. But as you can see, there is not really much confluence over here. We now have the three valleys, so let's see if we get something like this. Because we would expect that the bears will push the daily again, and then we need some accumulation on the retracement and then claim the daily. That would be a perfect scenario. How long that might take, we are not sure yet, but we can watch it together for a while. Let's see what happens. If we're making a new low here, yeah, we have that monthly, we have this one, and that's the pitchfork. Actually, no matter what happens, I'm not catching a falling knife. I've done it way too much and it's not worth it. So I will need to see retracement, and if that retracement is with bullish divergence, I will definitely take it. If it's not with bullish divergence, I would need to see at least some big bulls stepping in, and that we will see over here. And for the moment, not really, but we have some time left in this candle. Still the order flow there's a lot of shorts already in the books. Also here. So let's see how this goes. I will just mute the mic for a second. Okay, I'm back. So we got another 4 mil of new shorts at the lows, which is good for more upside. Stupid. So we actually have some bearish divergence. I have a higher low on the 1 minute with a lower low on the CBD. Do we have it here? Not on the USDT pair, but on the USD pair we have it. I'm still hesitant to take this one. But I will set my market order ready for execution. So we're still happy with the low right now. We got our 3 valleys. In the 1 minute we already had a higher low with bullish divergence on the BTC USD pair. might have some trapped shorts if we don't get there anymore. As you can see, the order flow is getting more bullish, ready to catch any other shorts. ES is still moving down. Let this get a bounce. Another 1.5 mil short. The price doesn't move, and now it goes to the upside. This is good. So what you need to keep in mind right now, if this plays out exactly as we want, the CC will be over there, that's right. So it actually already would be stupid to get in here, because yeah, if you want to take a quick scalp. But we see now shorts getting out again. It might be shorts from higher that take profits. Not many bulls stepping in. They might just catch all the shorts. This is getting bullish. Yes, with a little bounce. Still 4 minutes in the candle.
So LTA works on every time frame. So if we draw this trend line, we also get a back test, got back new high. Let's keep that one over here for now. Let's see if we could get in already here. Again, some new shorts pushing. They are getting caught. So another bunch of shorts right at the low. And we lost the buying tail. It's not the worst thing, but like I said, it will probably be more chance that it will be a scalp or we make another low. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but we probably will. If this is the low for today, then it will be a poor low. So still some shorts pushing down. Will they get trapped? That's the big question right now. Or will we go down to hit the outer bound of our pitchfork that I deleted? Did I delete that one? No, I didn't. So it seems very flat. So 1 inch going down as well. We will check that in minutes. And that's a new low. Okie-do, okie-do. So that's why we don't catch knives, because you never know. And to be honest, we did have only the pivot over there. It was just an ID. Okay, so that didn't work out, but that's completely fine, because we were waiting for a higher low, at least on the 5 minutes. So we have the pitchfork over here, we have the monthly there. This one isn't valid anymore for me, this one isn't, and I'm gonna delete that one. I'm gonna delete that and see how that goes. 1 inch dropping more. So we now have that pitchfork. So I guess you know what we are looking for. It might slow down over here in this section if we lose the monthly. Probably looking to clear all these naked point of controls. For the rest, I'm looking for at least a 5-minute high-low with some bullish divergence, with some trap shorts, and we'll only take it to 44,400 for a first take profit, and then put the rest on break even and don't care about it. If we don't get any of these, I'm very glad to go lower. Let's quickly check what was happening over here. So I hit the local point of control, and after losing this trend line, backtesting it out perfectly, another 10%. On the BTC charts, why did we have an alert? Oh, on the BTC chart, it just hit that point of control and that trend line. Also the CC. So if Bitcoin manages to bounce here, this could be a good long. The CC on the USDT pair is just a little bit lower with the speed fan, with the monthly, so I would actually gladly wait. Another 6%. Might come tomorrow. We'll see what happens. For now, I will end the stream. Our equity is at 18. That is just amazing. Let's quickly check that those two that I got in. That was this one. Okay. And that was Ank, hasn't taken profit over it. So let's end it over here. Have a good night, and maybe in, let's say, 3 hours I will give a quick update how the day ends for me, and then tomorrow we'll do everything again. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, maybe share the video, send it to your grandma, I don't really care. Subscribe and follow the journey. Thank you very much. Have a great night.